You want to start a business, but here's the brutal truth. If you pick a wrong niche, nothing else matters. You can have the best offers, best funnels, best ads, but if you are solving a problem that no one cares about, your business dies. So today I will show you how to pick a profitable niche and validate it like a pro and make sure that people are ready to pay before you even build anything. This is episode 2 of Digital Empire series. In episode 1, we have discussed how to start a digital business and different business models. In this episode, we will discuss how you can build your foundation, how you can work on your market research, and how you can pick your niche. So this is going to be one of the important video because if you don't know your niche, you will struggle a lot. You will not be able to charge high ticket, and that's where we understand here what market we can pick and what niche we can work on so that we can charge high ticket and we can get the freedom that we always want. Look, when you are targeting everyone, nobody listens to you, nobody trusts you, and nobody see you as an expert. But when you target one specific niche, people actually understand and can relate it with you that this guy actually understand my problem. And this is the exact difference between struggling and scaling. Now, how you can find your niche? And it's very simple. Just answer these 3 simple questions. Question 1, what do I understand, right? If you are surrounded by something that is maybe tech, maybe fashion, beauty, or anything, AI, cybersecurity, coaches, consultant, agencies, right? Or anything, you just see what exactly you understand and you can understand their problems better. This is the first question that you have to ask. Question 2, what problem I can solve for them, right? And it's not about solving a very big problem, but it should relate it to that they can pay for you, right? And at the end of the day, you have to learn these trending skills. If you can help anybody make money, of course they are ready to pay you, because at the end of the day they are making more profit, they are making more revenues, and if they are making, they will not leave you. That's one of the best skill that you can learn. And secondly, of course, if you know content creation, if you know AI, if you know how to build automation tools, if you know how to manage social media, if you know how to generate leads, appointments, and a lot of things that you think that you can solve in that specific industry. Either I have already discussed in my previous videos what exactly the services, the business model that you can follow, and based on that, based on your interest, you can answer this question, what exactly you understand the problem and what exactly you can solve this. Question 3, will they pay? This is one of the most important question, because if you are targeting the wrong audience, if they don't have money, how are they gonna pay you? And I'm talking about even the low ticket. Just to give you a very basic example, there was a coach I was working back, like I think 2 years back, and that coach was targeting students who were like in school, colleges, and just because they are not earning that enough, how they are gonna pay lakhs of rupees for the courses, for trainings, or anything like that. Of course, some people can afford it, but if we just targeting tier 2, tier 3 cities, they are not ready to pay that big amount for just learning purposes. Of course, we have to come up with some better niches where we can target. Now, just to give you another example, there was a coach, there was an agency I was working with, and it like just we started working on that, and I told him work on the niche selection and everything. He selected, and once he started doing calls, he converted a very high ticket client, just because in that market people are ready to pay for the solutions that you can help them. Now you understand their problem, you also know the solution of that problem, and are they ready to pay? And if they are, then this is going to be one of the best niche for you. To check if your niche is profitable or not, then just go to LinkedIn, go to Google, use ChatGPT, AI tools, and get to know, search what are the founders available. Go to LinkedIn and search your niche. You'll get a lot of founders, and based on that you can decide. If you want, you can also have a discussion, right? So when I started my business back then in 2000, around COVID only, 2020, 2021, and that time I was also struggling with all those things. I didn't know what my niche is, right? But once I started having a discussion with those people that this is the problem that I understand and I can solve, are you ready to pay? Like, are you ready to come and join me? and I can help you solve this problem. That's where I started having a discussion with those people, and then I got to know that this industry is very big and I can make a huge amount of money, and that's where I started increasing my prices. And that's what you also have to do. Pick your phone, pick your laptop, and then just do it right now. And here's the second way that you can use it, that again, search those industries, search those niche, and based on that you can get to know that if they are hiring, that's of course they are looking for those kind of people and they can pay you too, and that niche is profitable. Now let's find the money, and this is what I call the money map. You have to list down 4 things, that is what goals they have and their problems, what they already spend money on, and what trends they are moving towards. When you understand these 4 things, your entire business becomes very clear. Let me give you a very simple example. Suppose if my niche is coaches and I'm targeting those people, what are their problems? Their problems are getting more client, increasing their business profit and revenue, and generating more show up rates, right? And or maybe they need kind of automation, maybe they want more branding. These things, these are the problems they might face, and I can step into by providing the solution that I already have it. And this is where once you create a product market fit, that's where you always win. Now their problem is they are not able to generate leads, they don't know how to set appointments, they don't know exactly how to work on the sales calls, they don't know how to increase conversion rate, and are they ready to pay for the services? Like, are they ready to pay for ads, to set appointments, to create an entire funnel, or to work on the personal branding or content? And just integrate trend here, that is they want to scale into international market, they want to get more high ticket clients, or they want to do their full business automation, and that's where you can come up with your solution. And this is your winning idea, winning niche that you can work on. Now you know what exactly they need, and this is how we do niche clarity and market research. So this is the foundation of digital business. You need to know the niche and the market research, and based on that you can solve their problems, you can provide the custom solution that you have, and you also need to know are they ready to pay, right? And that's why I already mentioned, you go check out those platforms, search those people and connect with them, and that's where you'll be able to get those clients within a week. I did that personally, my clients are doing, and you can also do it. But if you're still not able to figure out what to do, what not to do, and you need a kind of a guidance, then just check out the link in below and in the description. Of course you will get to know, and I'm not exactly pitching to everyone. As mentioned in previous videos as well, we are having a very strong qualification process, so if you qualify, then only we are going to offer you something. And just check out, fill the form, book a call, and our team is going to reach out to you. So this is it for this video. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Hind.